Hello and welcome back to the channel. For this video tutorial, I will demonstrate how to create a simple block. In front of us, we have a chair. Going over to my Home tab, next to there I see the word Insert. Here I can select to create that block. And when your Create Block definition box comes up on your screen, you're going to go ahead and name your object. Right now I have an office chair. So inputting in the word office chair for the block definition, I want to make sure specify on screen is selected, convert to a block is selected, and I want to make sure I also have allow exploding selected. You will simply say OK, and you can go ahead and get ready to define your block. Your command bar will tell you to specify an insertion base point, the point that you want to pull your drawing into. I'm going to choose the center of my chair, so I'm going to select the bottom, which is the midpoint. And then it tells us to select the objects. Go ahead and do a cross window or a window selection to select the entire object. Simply press enter and your block is created. To assure that your block is created, you can go over to your insert drop down, and at that point you will see that your office chair image is located, and you can left click to drag it into your drawing. Thanks for watching.